Hi guys. So, yung asawa ko nagyaya. Magpunta daw kami sa Bee Gees na naman guys. Hindi ko na talaga alam kung anong gagawin nitong asawa ko. Nagyaya siya, so kaya samahan natin siya. And, yun, tara. Pinakain muna niya yung mga ibon. Para naman daw masaya ang mga ibon, no? Takes forever dong. Grabe ang ilaw ng araw eh. Yeah, the deer is really coming here. They're so bad. This freaking deer. They're not allowed to come in. Kasi magdala yan sila ng ticks, guys. You know? Yung mga aso namin. Huh?
The rubber seal was lying and stuff from the last time you fed them.
Oh, is it?
The rubber ring that was around it.
I thought you took it off.
No.
Open?
Yeah.
Look at the car. Oh, the car is ruined.
Why?
The front.
Yeah. I didn't throw no rocks on it. How did it get dents?
You didn't throw the rocks, but the thing. Look. Did you see? There's a lot of tiny rocks and dirty.
I don't see no dents.
Okay. It's just like the paint is changed because of all the rocks. Yeah.
Oh, we had a delivery. I know. I got that. They put it in the mailbox this time. Luckily.
Oh, they did. How much, Han? Because they was very low.
Let's see.
I thought we're gonna get the thing.
We are.
And where are we going?
Oh, I'm going here to get a roller bag. I get the flower balls anyway because I'm pretty finished.
Mm.
No, you did.
Mm.
I know this.
Hala, it really smells good by the bakery. Yung bakery, sobra ka, guys. Mabango ang bakery ngayon.
Just one?
Just one.
Sure.
Yeah. You sure? I'm pretty sure. How much is this anyway? Oy, sabi ko, sure daw, isa lang guys. Pero kukuha tayo ng isa. Sabi ko, sure. Look. And I'm pretty much sure. I'm gonna put it in freezer. One. Okay, let's go. Oh, they have Carville here. They have Carville. Caravella. Oh, cookies.
These are cinnamon. You want to eat these?
Hindi makapag-decision. I can eat that. Yeah,
Cinnamon.
it's okay. You'll eat that. Yay, mozzarella C. When is this expired? I want to know when is the expiration of this. Can you help me? It's right here. March. Oh, I'm gonna get 100 expiration March on.
Okay.
Because every time I buy in Hannaford,
Yeah.
it's expensive each.
I know that.
So that's why if the expiration is long, I will get one. Guys, bibili siya ng apple para sa deer kasi ang deer is kailangan kumain. At ganyan yan siya, halos lahat ng mga hayop pakpakainin ni Dudong Tami. This one it's a lot, oh. How much is this? $6. And this one it's a lot.
Gala.
This it's okay. Why you're not eating it? The deer eating it. Tami, use this one. Huh? Man, this one is nice. magpabili din ako ng KitKat na yung cone na KitKat guys kasi dalawa na lang yung natira. Ang bilis-bilis namin kumain. Where is that? No, I don't want. I like the cone. It's right here, love. Yun siya guys, masarap. $12. Yun siya, masarap. Hopefully it's not going to melt, ha? Sabi pa ni Tami, I need it. Hindi niya kailangan guys kasi marami kami doon sa jar. Dahil nakita niya, sabi niya, I need it.
Say I need it.
You said I need it.
I'll say that.
You said it.
You said you don't need it. I said, no, I don't need it. What's the point?
No, you said I need it. And I said, you don't need it. At pauwi na kami. Well, actually, hindi pa kami iuwi. Magpunta kami sa CBEs and then Hannaford and then go home. Sa wakas nakabalik nga ako dito sa CVS kasi ito talaga yung mga gusto kong bilhin dito. Yung wow na para pang volumize sa buhok. And also, yung moisturizer na nabili ko guys. I-share ko lang po sa inyo. Gustong gusto ko yung moisturizer na pants. Kaso guys, na-notice ko non-stop yung pimples ko. Akala ko is first reaction lang siya. Pero ilang buwan na kasi ganun pa rin. So, tapos na kami. Yep. So, andito kami sa kabilang tindahan na and so kunin na natin yung mga kailangan which is, I don't really know what we need here. The chicken. You still have food in there. Okay, tapos na kami dito guys. So, ilagay na ni Dudong Tami. Hala, we only do 2, hon.
Only two what?
There is 3.
4, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, but we only scan 2 of this.
You sure?
Yeah.
You were the one doing it.
Look at, no, we only did 2. Yun guys, ano siya, hindi namin napa-scan ang isang chicken, so kailangan ni Taming ibalik. Kasi alangan naman, yung iba, itakbo na yun guys, pero kailangan tagalaga naming ibalik yung chicken. Kasi, kawawa yung tindahan guys. Ay, mura na nga yung chicken, atin pang itakbo. So kaya andun siya. Ibalik niya kasi kaihiyon na daw kayo siya guys. Wala tayong choice. Yun, na-notice ko kasi guys na 2 lang yung napa-scan ko. 3 pala yung chicken. Mali ko kasi guys. Kasi ako yung nagbigay kay Tami ng ng chicken. Nagpa-scan kasi si Tami yung nagbaril-baril. Kaya yun. Hahay buhay. Iyon. Saan na yan siya? Yun, sumakit ang ulo ni Miriam kahit saan-saan naman kasi kami ngayong araw napunta kami sa beaches, napunta kami sa CVEs and then sa Hannaford naman. And then pagkatapos nun guys, ang dami kong gawain sa loob ng bahay, parang napagod ako Meron akong nabasang comment, sabi pa, Miriam, parehas tayo na hindi ako pinapatrabaho ng aking asawa or nasa bahay lang daw siya. Pero daw, kahit ganun daw na kaya ng asawa niya na hindi siya patrabahuin, talagang lumabas siya. Naghanap talaga daw siya ng trabaho para lang daw meron siyang kita ng sa kanya. Wala namang masama sis kung nasa bahay ka or nagtatrabaho ka, nasa sayo talaga yan. Hindi ko inano na, si asawa ko talaga ang ayaw magpatrabaho. Well, magkaiba kasi ang buhay natin, no? So, ako naman, matagal na akong hindi nagtatrabaho. Nakatrabaho lang ako dito, 2 years, 1 year lang since pagdating ko dito. And after that, wala na since. Maganda man talaga pag may trabaho. Sino bang hindi nagsasabi na hindi maganda kapag walang trabaho? Ang ganda kaya kung magtrabaho ako ngayon, doble kita, 'di ba? And who knows, maybe one day makikita ninyo na lang sa vlog na meron akong trabaho. Sa totoo lang, gusto ko man magtrabaho, guys. And then ay itong asawa ko, every time na sabihin ko na magtrabaho ako, sabihin niya na ang ganda na ng ano mo, kalagayan mo. Nandyan ka sa bahay, magawa mo kahit anong gusto mong gawin. Kahit noon, guys, sabihin ko sa inyo, yung asawa ko ganyan po yun siya magsabi. Kahit kumikita ako noon ng sobrang kaliit-liit sa social media, sa YouTube pa, guys, wala pang Facebook, okay? Ganyan yun siya kahit $50 pa yung kita ko, $2 na. Long time ago, guys. Grabe katagal ko na kasi talaga. Pero supportive yun siya, guys. Continue lang yung support niya sa akin. At yun, hindi niya sinabi sa akin na halagaw, magtrabaho ka para sayang yung oras. Hindi, guys. As in, hindi. Pero hindi natin talaga alam. Alam niyo naman natin na may edad ang asawa ko. And then, who knows, kung nandito na lang siya sa bahay and then buryong-buryo na ako at ayaw ko na siya palaging makasama. Charot. Alam niyo na may edad na ako, may edad na siya. And baka aalis-alis ako, magtrabaho. Who knows? Hindi talaga natin alam ang panahon, no?